Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66 Day Challenge, Get Started in Social Media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 31 of our challenge, adding a story from your camera. In this challenge, you'll learn how to create a story using your camera and review the 8 enhancement features. Before we do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red button and then the bell icon. Let's get sharing. From your profile, which I have pulled up right here, you're just going to tap your profile image, and this will automatically open your camera. You can choose to take a still photo or a video. All right, so here we are. Let's see. At the bottom of the screen, you can see there's a whole bunch of editing features. This is funny. I see myself twice on here. Okay. So you're going to do this while I don't know where to look. There, now I feel like I'm looking at you. You're going to do this with your camera open because you want to play around with the editing features before you shoot that image. So you can choose to flip the camera around, the bottom right. Then you can see the back, what's behind your camera, your phone. Woohoo! Or you can flip it back to selfie. Okay. So you can see at the bottom I have live, I have create, we have normal, boomerang, layout, so we can do multiple images here. So like if I want to take 6 pictures, I could do this. We have super zoom. So watch this. It's zooming in and it's adding that heart layer. Okay? I don't want to use that, but there's the sample of what I just made. Okay? This is going to make me sad. Oh, nobody wants that. We're a happy day today. Okay, anyways, I'm going to X out of that. So you can see there's lots of fun stuff to play with here. We got the hands-free mode, so you can set your phone down, which I'm going to do right now. And, there we go. So hands-free. I'm going to tap that, and so I can talk to you. I can do whatever I want. It's recording, and then I can tap it, and now it's going to play back. So you can see there's lots of fun stuff you can do in here. So like I said, at the bottom of the screen, there are 8 editing options there. So you can choose to use each of these. They have several settings or options within it, so you can play around with them to find the right look for your story. And like I said, you can flip it to have the camera face you or face away. And then we have those same buttons all the way at the top. Let me go back real quick. We'll do another. What should we do? Let's do one of the super zooms. Let's do fire. This one's kind of fun. Ooh, or do we want... What's TV show? I haven't played with this one. Oh my. No, I don't like that one. Let's do fire. This one's kind of fun. Woo! Got a hot sale today. All right, so you can say whatever you want. All right, so we got that going on. And then just like we had with our still images in the yesterday's challenge, we've got our stickers and the pen and the text. So if I want to open stickers and add something, I can do that. Let's see. So like if we did have a sale going on somewhere, I could add location and then I could put the store name. I don't know. Right? So you can share something about your business, or if you are, I know I have a lot of agents on here, if you are working with local business owners and they have something going on, you could do something like this saying that somebody has something really cool happening and tag their location right here on Instagram on your story. And then again, you've got your pen and your text if you want to add any of that. So go ahead and play around with all those fun different filters and features on there. And then once you're done and you're happy with your image, you just go ahead and click your story in the bottom left. just go ahead and tap that little icon there, or you can send it to your specific people or your custom list again. So that's going to conclude our training for the day. So remember to join me tomorrow at 7:30 Central for our next challenge. We're going to show you how to add to your existing story because it's a little different than starting one from scratch. So I will see you then.